Azure Printed Homes is making a difference both ecologically and in the housing market. They were the first company in the world to use robots to print houses from recycled plastic. But this isn't just a one-off project. They set up a factory a couple of years ago for mass production. Their houses are 30% less expensive than those built using traditional methods. For instance, an 84 square meter home costs around $200,000. Additionally, Azure Printed Homes' robotic printing technology saves customers 70% of their time. Sometimes, parts can be produced in as little as 4 days. On top of that, every 11 square meters of these homes recycles 100,000 plastic bottles. UPB is a major player in the industrial scene of the Baltic states, with a strong focus on construction. They offer help to clients through every phase, from early consultations to the completion of complex engineering projects. For instance, UPB experts contributed to Sweden's Grid 17, a 5,900 square meter building featuring 2 rooftop terraces. UPB didn't just assist with the design, they also provided crucial parts of the precast concrete sandwich panel facade. Another notable project is Mary Elizabeth's Hospital in Denmark, an 8-story building set to be finished in 2027. For this project, UPB has produced facade blocks that come to the site ready with glazing, wiring, ventilation, and fire safety components. If you've been following us, you probably know all about Perry. They're not just one of the world's top formwork manufacturers, but also impressed with their advanced engineering technologies. Today, Perry introduces VarioKit, an innovative balanced concreting system designed for bridge construction. This system can create sections up to 5.75 meters long that weigh up to 300 tons. Depending on the design, these sections can curve and even spiral. The built-in automation helps control these parameters. Plus, VarioKit can be used with other Perry solutions like hoists and work platforms. Temporary Wall Systems has developed a versatile product: temporary fences that serve multiple purposes beyond construction sites. These barriers are equally useful in settings like hospitals, where they can effectively separate construction areas from medical spaces, allowing both builders and healthcare professionals to work without disruption. The company's portfolio includes an interesting project involving a stadium, where their fences were used to create corridors for soccer players. This allowed the athletes to move freely without losing focus or being constantly approached for autographs. While this versatility alone is impressive, Temporary Wall Systems has gone a step further by offering customization options. Clients can request features such as doors, windows, code locks, and ventilation systems to suit their specific needs. The durability of these walls is ensured by their 3-layer construction: an aluminium front, a galvanized steel back, and a 38mm thick polyurethane core sandwiched between them. UltraCor holds the world record for being the largest and strongest corrugated steel system out there, and it really proved its worth in Poland's WD-10 overpass. This impressive structure spans 92 meters in length and 26 meters in width, making it Europe's largest corrugated steel structure. That's pretty big, though it's still not quite as large as the Shamal Bridge in the UAE, which currently holds the world record among UltraCor projects. Both structures are incredibly sturdy, so sturdy in fact that this system can even handle railroad construction. It's quite versatile too, working just fine in temperatures from 50 to -50 degrees Celsius. And when it comes to construction speed, you can put together a bridge measuring 100 by 20 meters in about 3 weeks. Need a solution for your roof leak? Consider Flexhim. This versatile paste has been used since 1985. It comes in strips that are easy to apply along the ridge and other roof areas. Flexhim isn't just for leaks though. You can use it to seal gaps between corrugated sheets or improve connections around chimneys. It's ready to use straight out of the package, allowing for faster work, about 5 times quicker than traditional methods. Flexhim performs well in a wide range of temperatures, from 60 to -25 degrees Celsius. An added benefit is that it comes in several color options, which can match your tiles or other roofing materials. This helps ensure that your repair not only functions well, but also blends in with your existing roof. Clipstone ProPanel makes large stone veneer panels that are pretty easy to use. Instead of mortar, they use fasteners and special clips to keep them in place. They hold up well against weather and fire, and they give you the look of stone while being easier on your budget. If your walls need to breathe, these panels won't interfere with that. It's a solid choice for decorating both interior and exterior spaces. The panels come in 2 sizes, 508 by 184 and 305 by 184 mm. Having these 2 sizes helps make the seams less noticeable and gives you more flexibility during installation. And there's one more good thing about Clipstone ProPanel. You can install them in any weather, and you don't need to know masonry to do it. The USA has enough roads to wrap around the Earth 176 times. And since the world isn't switching to flying cars anytime soon, road maintenance crews everywhere still have plenty of work. Fortunately, the chemical industry keeps developing new ways to fix our roads. One of these solutions is BandFill, a sealant that comes in strips or rolls. It's pretty simple to use. You just roll it out where you need it and heat it with a torch, and it fills in cracks and joints. This makes it useful, not just for general road repairs, but also for tidying up after installation of sewer manholes and storm drain gates. BandFill typically comes in sizes of 5 meters by 35 millimeters, and you don't need much to work with it, just a torch, some gloves, and a broom to sweep away dust and debris. Let's look at what's happening in modular construction. Forta Pro has gotten pretty efficient at putting together modular structures. They can build, outfit, and install them in just 1 to 2 weeks. When you combine these modules, you end up with modern and cost-efficient buildings. To put it in perspective, if you were building 4 regular reinforced concrete buildings with 56 apartments, you'd need 12 to 15 times more concrete just for the foundation. Plus, building with Forta Pro's modules is less noisy, and they use plenty of recyclable materials, which is better for the environment. And there's also Interpod, who's taken this modular approach and applied it to bathrooms. They've been quite successful too, having sold over 28,000 units so far. These modular bathrooms are pretty impressive. A crane can lift one into place in just 5 minutes, and you can usually start using it about 2 hours later. That's because everything's already built in, from the plumbing to the toilet. The workers just need to hook up the water, electricity, and ventilation, and it's good to go. Let's talk about something interesting in Cupertino, California. While most people know this place for Apple's donut-shaped headquarters, there are also some massive concrete silos there. These silos were showing their age, with cracks and damage suggesting they needed some serious reinforcement. For example, wrapping them with Rhino carbon fiber CFRP strips. It was quite the project. The work crew had their hands full, using an impressive 946 litres of epoxy glue and covering about 557 square meters. But all their effort paid off. Since carbon fiber is 10 times stronger than steel and doesn't corrode, these silos got exactly the kind of durable, long-term support they needed. When shorelines or infrastructures like embankments need reinforcements, Propex Scowlock offers an effective solution. The system is simple. A polypropylene mesh secures the soil where seeds are planted. The developers provide compelling reasons to choose this option. First, Propex Scowlock is made from a specialized type of polypropylene. It can handle extreme loads, won't leach, and is built to last 200 years. Second, Propex Scowlock blocks are designed for underwater use. Third, they're more visually appealing than many alternatives, including concrete. And finally, the mesh can and should be filled with local soil. This saves builders time and helps customers cut costs. Many engineers, builders and designers struggle with the thickness and weight of reinforced concrete structures. How can you make buildings and structures lighter without sacrificing reliability? This is especially important when working on challenging soil or when only a lightweight foundation is available. In these situations, EGCO void blocks are a great solution. They come in several versions, such as for floor slabs or foundations, and help create voids. When pouring walls, the blocks are placed between the forms. Builders then continue to pour the mortar. EGCO void blocks can handle the necessary load thanks to their compressive strength of 100 kN per meter squared. Once the walls are set, water is poured into the EGCO void blocks, causing them to deform and easily come out. BAMTECH technology is very interesting because it merges the design, production, and setup of reinforcement into one process. This construction material needs less steel and comes to the site in a roll, making it easy to lay and 70% quicker to install than traditional methods. But that's just the start of BAMTECH's many benefits. This technology can handle bars with diameters ranging from 6 to 36 mm and lengths from 1.65 to 15 meters. This means BAMTECH is suitable for everything from small projects to large shopping centers. Overall, it's great for reinforced concrete slabs and foundation slabs. If you have concerns about its reliability, rest assured, because BAMTECH has been proven and used for nearly 20 years. We can't talk about construction without mentioning Lego, right? And speaking of which, if you'd love to see the strangest things ever built with the famous Danish bricks, let us know in the comments. But today, we're going to show you something just as fascinating: Lammy blocks. These blocks are kind of like Lego bricks, but for real buildings. You can use them for pretty much anything, from fences to swimming pools to entire houses. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, just like you'd expect from any good building system. Take this standard KK400 block. It measures 60 by 40 by 20 centimeters and weighs 27 kilograms. What makes these blocks special is how they're made. The company uses diamond grinding to get them perfectly sized. Plus, thanks to their clever design, you can add plaster right after pouring the concrete. Need some insulation? No problem, they've thought of that too. Stofix's engineers came up with a really practical approach to wall cladding. The system centers around metal support plates that can hold pretty much any type of brick. What's surprising is how light it is, just 37 kilograms per square meter, making it one of the lightest systems you can find. But that's just the start of what makes it special. There's no limit to how high you can build with it, and to make things easier, they handle all the tricky work at the factory, like attaching the bricks to the support plates and adding mortar. This means when the blocks arrive at your building site, you can put them up in any weather. You get to pick exactly what you want: the brick color, size, and how they're arranged. Plus, Stofix's clever design includes space for insulation. "Wood is our passion," says Zaza Timber. This passion drives their wooden construction projects around the world. They're not just building simple structures, they take on complex projects like schools, bridges, and concert halls. Zaza Timber uses a very thorough approach, meaning they handle everything from the design to the finished construction. But they went even further by producing their own glued laminated timber. This material is so fundamental to their work that the company's director's house is built with it. Zaza Timber has achieved some impressive feats in wood construction. They can create trusses from glulam that are 24 meters long and can support up to 117 tons. They've also crafted stunning staircases 3 meters wide using curved glulam. It's no surprise that you can find Zaza Timber's work from the United States to Australia. Andale Construction offers a range of paving options, and one of their go-to methods is RCC, short for Roller Compacted Concrete. It's not exactly cutting-edge tech, it's been around since the 1970s, but it's stood the test of time. Here's how it works. They whip up a special cement-concrete mix, load it into a paver, and then compact it with rollers. The result is a solid surface that's ready for traffic in about 3 days. Many projects use RCC as a base for asphalt paving. The finished product has a bending strength of 5 megapascals and a compressive strength of 55 megapascals without requiring reinforcement. Notably, RCC is often more cost-effective than traditional asphalt roads. However, it does have some limitations. For example, high-speed highways may require an additional leveling layer for improved smoothness. Despite this, concrete remains a popular choice, with more than half of the roads in the US using this material. The Rooflight team specializes in a particular area of construction: roof windows and skylights. They work on both modern homes and historic buildings. One of their key products is the Conservation Rooflight, a versatile hybrid between a low-profile window and a skylight. This customizable product is designed for pitched roofs with slopes ranging from 17.5 to 60 degrees. The Conservation Rooflight comes in various sizes, from compact units measuring 32 by 21 centimeters to larger installations of 1.4 by 0.8 meters. The team also accommodates requests for custom sizes. For added functionality, clients can opt for blinds, either manual or motorized. In cases where preserving a building's historical appearance is crucial, the company takes extra steps, such as using specialized gaskets to ensure a seamless integration with the existing structure. Top and Screed might be a new player in the market, as it appeared only in 2006, but they've already made a significant impact on the global concrete machine industry. Their standout product is the TS6200E. This powerful machine is revolutionizing how large concrete screed jobs are handled. Don't be deceived by its simple wheeled design. This is a versatile tool that spreads, levels, and compacts concrete all at once, and it even cleans up excess material. In a single pass, it can cover an impressive 22 square meters. The TS6200E is electric, powered by 4 batteries that keep it running for about 11 hours or 4,500 square meters. Plus, it produces 0 exhaust fumes. Now that's what I call progress. If you're excited to see more power tools like this, give this video a thumbs up.